This is ZoneOut Sessions, Season 4, brought to you by Freeme TV.
Magixx. Yeah, you're listening to my ZoneOut Session. Freeme TV. Yeah, all the Chris, they know that daddy's well established. I mean, I do these every time, yeah, I'm a damn addict. Young black, then my nigga, I be steady shining. Mothers don't get record label, I'm your new signing. I should see me so, my nigga, I the vex. Moved on to greater things, well, poverty now my ex. I the blue their mind, I be boko for the west. Rappers memory stuff when I just want be did your head. I'm so straight, I'm not a fan of taking shit. Many niggas ask why I be trying to make you see a girl be wanna work for me. I tell her no vacancy, they want change out for me, but I'm not a fan of APC. Baba, wow. Where's your mother's certificate? They won't slow me down, but the trick be say I know if you wait. You the form accent, but then you be illiterate. Man, it's obvious then they follow you from your daddy's village. Rappers never go higher like I smoke their weed. Everything they acquire go waste like dustbin. Balling on his haters, like if I don't not sin. And now they always speedball like ATM machine. Ballin' about these niggas, yeah, they be knew I be killing the show. All of the shit in my business, if not money, man, I don't wanna know. Ballin' but not in your league, all of my flows they be sick. And with the way that I speed, you already know what it is, you already know what it is. Magixx, you know go kill somebody. In this light, now my step, then be following. I'm the messiah, then recognize, so they follow me. These rappers no stable like the Nigerian economy. No go try rubbish for where I dare you. My line penetrate into their skin like a needle. My music flow these rappers like a Moses. They're Pharaoh, your chick, always trying to say hello like a Dale. These rappers they stink, may that flows be dead. From only me, man, these rappers they learn. Poverty don't families on them. All these rappers only dry like my body too well. When it's Magixx on the mic, nigga, you know how it feels. Ain't no board for the phone like the battleship. Money, I'm about the dollar bill. I the guy rap for N like say now my papa will. I they always bust brain everywhere I go. Man, I'm so incredible, even at my nose. Man, I got vision, I don't keep my red eyes closed. These rappers for me Gucci, but wearing bend down clothes. They try to test, but I show them pepper like Suya. I keep on calling yearly, I'm gifted like Santa. These rappers covering up their face like a Elijah. Your baby mad over us because say now we they run town. I don't come, yeah, I don't come.
A lot of people tell me that I can rap and that's okay, but the price tag on the song are the same people wouldn't pay. I mean it's crazy, they tell you on a daily to go deeper than the Navy, but look away the moment you're drowning and shout and save me. It should promote I drop the